long does it take for you to blink? Exactly 0.25 seconds. But if you knew what happens in this tiny gap, your mind would literally explode. Imagine this. By the time you close and open your eyes, a massive 15,000 new stars are born in this universe. At the exact same time, 300 stars violently explode as supernovas. Not just that, our sun actually burns through 170 million tons of hydrogen in just that fraction of a second. Because of this, a crazy 96 octillion joules of energy is released. Millions of new planets are also forming right now. Look how fast the universe works, all of this in just one blink. But here is the real twist. Do you feel like you were sitting completely still right now? Wrong! Before you even blink, our Milky Way galaxy travels 250 kilometers through space, and our Earth, it moves 7 kilometers forward in its orbit. Next level fact, the fastest spinning pulsar rotates 180 times, light travels 75,000 kilometers, and 30 brand new black holes are formed. All of this non-stop in just one blink. Mind-blowing, right? For more crazy space facts, hit that subscribe button right now.